Home cooks and bakers, foodies, lovers of spiciness, welcome to Hilko Cuisine's YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is my very first video on this channel and I'm gonna start it off with a hot sauce review. Mr. Happy Hatter Sauce hooked me up with this rather nice looking bottle. In return, I'm checking out this original hot sauce made in Belgium. I think this is a nice way to let Mr. Hatter know my findings, so fingers crossed, dude. The label is printed in Dutch. I'm gonna read it to you, but translate it into English so everybody can understand it, I hope. Here we go. A traditionally prepared tomato-based hot sauce with a selection of fresh chili peppers. The palette of tropical fruit with an accent of Caribbean spices gives this sauce a broad and rich character, with a soft spicy start followed by an intensely sweet and glowing aftertaste. Delicious in pasta sauces, Mexican dishes, barbecue, stews, etc. The ingredients, they are tomato, peach, red onion, chili peppers, 75% of Madame Jeannette. That's a pepper from Curaçao, I believe, and I really like it. It's a really nice one. 25% of bird's eye. That's an African pepper. I'm not really keen on that, but we'll see. There is garlic in there, apple vinegar, cane sugar, lime, salt, celery, and herbs. So let's crack open this bottle and give it a taste. Eh? Before I'm gonna taste it, I'm gonna smell it. Yeah, tomatoey. I can smell tomato and I can smell the spices. I'm gonna pour a bit out into this recipient. A rather nice looking wee thingy. If it wants to come out. Yeah, there we go. So, hot sauce in there. I'm not gonna try to spill it. Now, I always like to clean off the bottle before I close it. It's my OCD. So there we go. Mr. Happy Hatter Sauce. Hot sauce. It's really nice. Yeah, obviously I can taste the tomato or tomato. It's got a nice kick to it. I can definitely taste the Madame Jeannette and the bird's eyes. The bird's eye peppers are not really my thing, but they work really well with this sauce. I can taste a hint of garlic. The celery I can taste, and I can taste the Caribbean spices. It's a mild sauce, I think. It's a 5 or a 6 out of 10. I think it states that on a bottle. I think it's really nice with a hamburger. So I'm gonna cook one up now, really quick, and then come back. It's not crazy hot, you know. You're not gonna see me my head explode and all that. I'm not gonna puke. I'm really used to hot stuff, so this is mild for me. But it's nice, it's really nice. Let's cook up that burger and I'll be back. Okay, Happy Hatters. I'm just back from the kitchen and I cooked up this rather nice looking hamburger. Hola! It consists of sourdough bread, home-baked sourdough bread. Then we've got some mustard. We've got some iceberg lettuce. We've got some tomatoes. We've got some onions. We have some cheddar cheese. We've got some pickles. And the meat, the beef, is locally grown aged Hereford beef. It's from a farmer really close by. Not mass-produced meat. It's really nice. And I love it. It's great. Well, I think it's great. The last thing we have to add is the Happy Hatter sauce. And then try it. So, here's the sauce. By the way, I really like the sauce. Mr. Hatter, a good job, thank you. And thank you for hooking me up. So we got sauce. We got a burger, we got sauce. We are hungry, let's taste it. It's weird to stuff my face in front of a camera. Burgerola. This sauce is so tasty, I have to add more. Happy Hatter sauce, Happy Hatter hot sauce. Really nice on burgers, really nice on burgers. Anaconda style, let's bite into it. Cleaning of the bottle. This might be my favorite hamburger sauce. I'm not really a big fan of the normal tomato ketchup on a burger. But see, this sauce, it's a tomato-based hot sauce with the Madame Jeanette peppers. That's great. That's really great. And I can sense now the bit of sweetness he was mentioning on the label. Really nice. What is the name of the Pulp Fiction burger? Kahua? The big Kahua burger. This is the big Hilko burger. The big hot spicy Hilko burger. I can't get enough. It's really nice. The sauce is really nice. Mr. Happy Hatter sauce, really nice job. I really like it. And on barbecue, yes. Mexican food, yes. Pasta sauces, yeah. Stews, yeah, definitely, yeah. So he's not lying on the label. Really nice. This is definitely my favorite burger sauce for now. It's, yeah, the tomato, the Madame Jeanette, the peach, the flavor, the Caribbean flavor. I'm feeling on a holiday already. So, Mr. Happy Hatter sauce. Really nice job. I give you an 8 out of 10 on the Hilko scale. It's a first review, so I better kick off with a nice score. Nothing to do that you're a friend of mine. I'm really appreciating it that you gave me that sauce. I hope you like my review. So if you want to know how to make this hamburger, check out the next videos. Great sauce, try it, taste it, love it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.